Hello guys, welcome to my first time vlogging. I know it's noisy. You hear outside, they're making their noise. They're making their house sort of something, and my sister is hello. We have no money, so we cannot buy this girl. So yeah.
We have just the school update.
School. So I just have this store, this hotel, this home. Yeah, let's check the down, or maybe downstairs. You can call it, but. Okay, I will tell you my vlog when it's part 2. So we're vlogging Roblox. Just comment Roblox. Playhome Plus. I have no school there. Playhome Plus. Roblox. Yeah, I can go Roblox every day. This is my dad. Just sit down. My sister. Oh. The glitch. My sister. Say hi.
Hi.
And me. I always angry. But this is the picture when I was a child. And this is me now. I have a boyfriend now. So this is my bag. This is my sister's bag. And we have this cat. I don't know where it comes from. Plate, oh my god, a plate. A hamsters. This is our pink town. So guys, good luck to comment everything. We have this dress code. It's just me guys, so we have no such a family right now, but I can vlog. So sorry guys, but not now because I'm busy. So right guys, you can just comment what I should vlog or fight sisters. My father have a secret admirer because my mom just go on Hong Kong and live us away because I have a brother. She have a girlfriend. She go on town. So bye. See you on part 2. I just have this item. Oh, I forgot to room tour time. Okay, oh my god, you're gonna be shocked to this guys. Our room is pink and beautiful and huge. Let me just turn off this thing. And my cat is still sleeping on her baby crib. So this is our dad's room. Have this teddy bear, this laptop, this fan. Oh, the fan just go there. Okay, this is our room. We have a TV,
And you have makeup also.
and my dad is having it. So let's just add a TV. Yeah, I forgot to add a TV on my dad's room. On his back, we have a TV. Then watch news, everything. So this is our CR. I have this mask. And this light is mine too. Oh my god.
The broom. That's
This is my sister's. Let's go and just. Should we just off? Or should we not? Let's see. So this is
your laptop.
my laptop. So let me just dress up to my favorite skirt. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Sorry.
10%?
Okay. Hell yeah. So we're gonna change my dad's outfit. My sister outfit. That's his outfit. And my outfit. Yep. Using me. And this is my favorite one. Or should I put this one? That's your laptop bag. My sister don't like this. That is for my sister. This is my dad's one. And my charger's kinda long. There you go. It's not charging, so let me see my outfits. Cute on me. You want to just, I will change my face real quick. My dad is on her room, just like working. And this is my sister. She is not a vlogger, but she posts. And I supported him, but her vlog just get deleted. Sorry, so sorry, sister. So yeah,
Just proud of myself.
let's go change my eyebrows because my eyebrows is kind of sucks, bro. Saucy. I like the angry ones because it's kind of cute. Kind of cute on me. See? So I like angry. And I will change my hair, guys. I absolutely not taking that hair. Let me change my hair first. So crazy hairstyle. Okay, let me change one. Where is? Should this? No. Let's see. No. I don't like it. Nah. No. No. What this one? My forehead is kind of showing, you guys. Oh. Okay. Oh, my forehead. Okay. Okay. Let's see in part 2.